Okay, let's dive into my story. I am, after all, one of Japan's most famous cats.
It all starts with this simple fact. I am a cat. And, well, I still don't have a name.
I don't remember my parents at all. Just this dim, damp place where I was born. My first human encounter? Yeah, it was with a student. He just picked me up and abandoned me.
I was freezing and so hungry. I crawled into a teacher's yard, and that's where my story really begins.
So the welcome wasn't exactly warm. The maid kept throwing me out, but the master, he let me stay.
My master? He's a strange one. He tries to look like a scholar, but honestly, he just naps a lot.
And from that spot, I started my lifelong study of this very strange species.
I also met other cats, you know? Our world has its own much better way of doing things. Take my neighbor, Kuro. He's a tough cat from a rickshaw man's house. He knows how the world works.
Kuro's take on humans? He says they're just thieves who steal the mice we catch for themselves.
Meanwhile, my master was always starting some new, ridiculous hobby that he'd quickly give up on. His latest thing? Watercolor painting. And his friend Witty gave him some very weird advice about it. Here's the funny part. The advice was totally made up. But my master, he bought it completely. So who does he pick for his first subject? Me, of course. Right when I was trying to sleep.
And the painting? A total disaster. But of course, he blamed me for moving. Can you believe it?
But his bad art was nothing, absolutely nothing, compared to my own great struggle with mochi. I took one bite of a rice cake and my teeth got stuck. I was dancing around, absolutely terrified. And what did the family do? They just laughed. That's when I learned something big about humans.
So right then, I decided, I'm never catching a mouse. Why should I for a bunch of thieves?
My life is better spent just eating, sleeping, and watching their silly behavior.
So yeah, I'm still nameless. But I found my place here, just watching everything unfold. Which really makes you wonder, right? What strange human thing am I going to see next?